Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
6 people died and more than 30 people were injured when a portion of this bridge collapsed last evening. This was the third major tragedy related to a Mumbai bridge over the past 2 years. The morning after, people are wondering what is worse. Is it the fact that this bridge was recently subjected to a structural audit and was declared to be safe and sound? Or is it the fact that politicians have already busied themselves in a blame game and are even making insensitive comments? Take the case of Sanju Verma, for example. Speaking to a television news channel last evening, she said that there was no governance deficit in this case, that this was a natural tragedy and pedestrians are equally accountable and should have not used this bridge when there are other ways of getting about. She later defended herself that she was quoted out of context and she was misquoted. But in the meanwhile, the BMC is also blaming the railways is blaming the BMC, the Shiv Sena is blaming the BJP is blaming the Shiv Sena. Whereas this bridge is concerned, it was not very old, unlike several other bridges in Mumbai. It was built in 1988 and it was part of the 314 bridges that were recently subjected to a structural audit. The structural audit found this bridge to be completely safe and only recommended minor repairs, and yet we had this tragedy here last evening. The Chief Minister visited the spot last evening and even this morning, and he may have announced a high-level probe, and he's also said that any lapses in the structural audit will be looked at and strict action will be taken. He's also promised, he's asked the BMC Commissioner to pin down primary responsibility for this incident by this evening. But we've heard these strong assurances earlier. We've heard these strong assurances last year when a portion of the Gokhale Bridge at Andheri collapsed. Even the year before that, when 22 people died due to a stampede on the age-old Elphinstone Bridge in Lower Parel. And what the BMC and the government really needs to do is bring about some systemic changes in order to pin down responsibility for all the 314 bridges across the city that fall under the jurisdiction of multiple agencies. Reporting for The Print, this is Mansi Phadke.